ClickBait pays results, and today we have a total of 3 active campaigns. We've completed campaign 1, campaign 2, and now we're on campaign 3 to show you how ClickBait pays works. So once you choose your campaigns that you want to start with, you will have a total of clicks. Each campaign has a different amount of clicks, so it's up to the campaign that you choose. And down below you'll see a list of all your campaigns, and we started with 10. We've completed 8 of our 10, and we have 2 left to show you as an example. Because we completed campaign 1 and campaign 2 and 8 of the 10 clicks required in campaign 3, you can see here our earnings have changed from if you go and check yesterday's results, you can see the difference of yesterday's versus today. And once we complete these 2, you'll see another difference in the earnings amount. Once we complete this last campaign, this 26 will change to 27. And if we take that 27 and we divide it by the number of campaigns, that will tell us how many click days we have left in a 12-day campaign. And since we have 3 campaigns, of course 12 times 3 is 36, so that's what that number is there. Okay, once you log in and you choose your campaign, all you do is you come here, you click on view and earn. Once you click on view and earn, you're going to see a title of the person's ad. So once you join, you'll be able to place an ad here. We have training on how to do that. It's very simple. And then you just simply click on the link that says open ad. Now once I click on that link, it takes me directly to the ad. So some ads I like, some ads I'm not interested in. If I'm interested in it, I can check it out, do what I want to do. If I'm not, I can close it out. It takes me back, and I'm waiting on the seconds to hit 0. This has already hit 0, so all I have to do is hit confirm and earn. Once I do that, the system processes for a couple of seconds, and you can see now we have 9 of 10 that we've completed. We have 1 more. Let's click on that one. Easy peasy. Collect 7 medals. So that's the title. Let's click on it. Let's check it out. You can't see it because I'm doing a screen recording. It's talking about something here. Okay, not interested. Click out. I've done my job. I have 2 seconds left. 1, 0, confirm and earn. A couple of seconds. Now it tells me you have completed 10 of 10 of the daily clicks that I required. I've done 10 of them. I was only required to do 10. Each click pays me $12.96. I've completed campaign 1, campaign 2, and campaign 3 for today. I have 0 remaining clicks today. And you can see my earnings just increased. And you can see that 26 has now changed to 27, which shows me what I've completed. And since I have 3 campaigns, I divide that by 3. We are done. I strongly suggest that you click on the link. Take a look at ClickBait Pays. It's very simple. I've talked to the CEO of the company, the head of the administrative company, the tech team. We have a Telegram that you can go into and ask questions, get support. The company really does what it says it's going to do, and I can appreciate that. This is the kind of program that I will be involved with for time to come. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, day 10. We are getting down to the finish line here, so I am excited. Get on board, join the team. I am waiting to meet you. Once you join, reach out to me, and I will give you our promotion that we're running, where we're going to rebate back to you your first campaign's activation fee. So this is something that we're doing for the team. So just give us well, we'll see once you join, and we'll reach out to you, or you can reach out to us, but we'll talk in Telegram and go from there. Okay, have a good day, And thank you for tuning in.